dogs, man. The dogs are so nervous. They proper don't like me, man. So you've got this little fatty sitting down here. Look at him. Poor sod. And then this guy keeps barking at me. You alright, bro? Yeah, we good? You gonna be happy? Yeah? Good man. I'm gonna turn the hoovers on now, okay? So relax.
Yeah. Ooh, I love. Ooh, I love controller. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'ma be a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, 100 grand for a show. Pay me all my money, cause I'm sick to my soul. Ooh, I love controller. Ooh, I love controller. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'ma be a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, 100 grand for a show. Pay me all my money, cause I'm sick to my soul. Ooh, I love controller. I'ma do my bend the bitches when it's over. Sick, dropping off antidotes in October. We way over limit, we way overload. Molly and Codina, we gon' blow supernova. Henny in your hand, but it gon' put you in a coma. You just seen a ghost, got you tripping all over. I don't really care what you're going through. Fuck all of your plans, bitch, I'm rolling through. Ooh, I love controller. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'ma be a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, 100 grand for a show. Pay me all my money, cause I'm sick to my soul. Ooh, I love controller. Ooh, I love controller. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'm a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, 100 grand for a show. Pay me all my money, cause I'm sick to my soul. Ooh, I love controller. Oh, gangsta boy, you wanna push your gun high. But tell me you not go see the sunrise. Oh, gangsta boy, you wanna see your gun high. Come from a city with the young guy. Just another night in Miami. You falling for me, and your man can't stand it, but you acting like you're not. Oh baby, where your Emmy at? Push it to your limits, I go harder than a Hemi, yeah. We go hard like the clubs in Atlanta. She bring in a friend, then you know I'ma let her. Got them seeing stars when we fucking in the Fanta. You my movie star, I control you on camera. Ooh, I love controller. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'ma be a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, 100 grand for a show. Pay me all my money, cause I'm sick to my soul. Casanova. Ooh, I love controller. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'm a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, I'm a Casanova. Pay me all my money, I'm a Casanova. Ooh, I love controller. I'm a Casanova. Bitch, I'm a tsunami, I'm a Casanova. Yeah, you know you want it, I'm a Casanova. Pay me all my money, cause I'm sick to my soul. Ooh, I love controller. Drop, ooh, I love controller. Ooh, I love controller. Yeah. Ooh, I love controller. Ooh, I love. Drop it, ooh, I love controller. Cause I'm sick to my soul. Ooh, I love controller.
Alright, so this sofa and carpet is massive, and you've seen the dogs that they have inside, isn't it? And I emptied the Hoover out on Friday last week, and this is the first job since then. And I thought I'd have a little peek inside the Hoover just to see what came off the sofa and the carpets in that yard. So yeah, I think I'll show you. Like, this was a clean vacuum. Like, I cleaned it out good, proper good the other day. Check it here. So I'm putting the vacuum away. Thought I'd have a little peek inside quick. Oh my Jesus! Oh my Jesus! All of this dog hair, dust, dog hair, and all inside there. Look at the state of that. Jeez, that's from one sofa. Yes, it's a big, granted it's a big sofa, I understand. It's a big sofa and stuff, but my lord, to have that much dust in here. Oh well, good thing I'm here to clean it, innit?